Our planet is facing a severe climate crisis. Too much heat, dying animals, and pollution suffocating our oceans and atmosphere. But guess what? There's hope on the horizon. Artificial intelligence can significantly help the environment in numerous ways, offering innovative solutions to some of the most pressing ecological challenges. AI isn't just about robots, it's about smart solutions. Think of AI as our smartest ally, crunching numbers and solving puzzles about global warming faster than you can snap your fingers. It's helping make our energy cleaner, our animals safer, and even our farms smarter. And that's just the beginning. Picture AI drones replanting forests, smart algorithms predicting floods, and even AI guardians tracking poachers in real time. The future? It's here, and it's powered by AI. It is time for a guessing game. Can you guess how AI helps coral reefs? That's right. AI analyzes water conditions to create perfect breeding grounds, helping these underwater cities thrive. Ready for another one? How does AI contribute to fighting wildfires? Exactly. AI uses satellite imagery and predictive algorithms to track fire spread and helps firefighters target the most critical areas, saving forests and homes. Here's a tricky one. Can you figure out how AI aids in reducing city pollution? Spot on. AI optimizes traffic flow and public transportation routes to cut down on emissions, making our air cleaner and cities greener. And the last one. How do you think AI is revolutionizing waste management? That's correct. AI sorts through recycling more efficiently than humans can, distinguishing between different types of materials to reduce waste and improve recycling processes, keeping our planet cleaner. Adding to these practical applications, AI also plays a crucial role in environmental research, helping scientists analyze complex data on ecosystems, biodiversity, and pollution that would be too vast or complex to process manually. On a global scale, AI is a diplomat, bridging countries with data to tackle climate change together. Imagine international AI systems sharing real-time climate data, making the world a united front against global warming. But AI isn't just out there, it's also in our homes. From smart thermostats adjusting our energy use to apps that track our carbon footprint, AI makes saving the planet a part of daily life. Now you might be thinking, what's my part in this? Great question. By supporting AI research and being conscious of your tech use, you're helping shape an AI-positive future. Remember, every action counts, and with AI, we're on the path to victory. Are you ready to be a planet hero? Together, we're on a mission for a greener, healthier planet. Let's make our collective action count. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below for my top picks on AI-powered gadgets and eco-friendly products that can help you live a more sustainable life. Join the EcoFit Life journey with a quick subscribe and dive into our next video to discover easy, everyday actions you can take to join the battle against climate change and truly make a difference. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and as always, take care of yourself and of our wonderful planet.